Hi guys, welcome back to Baba SOJ vlog. How are you guys doing? My name is Baba SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. OPC people don't finally go to Igogota, my people. They gather together, go to Igogo, my people, to send another message. They talk, say, wetin Fulani do for their town, so Fulani fear no go let Fulani do out to their king. He said because Fulani people burn their own palace. He burn Igogo town palace. When we say the king palace for Igogo. He said they try go to Igogo, go the king wey dey for Igogo, they go burn the palace. Whether they go fit do it for their own emir, wetin Yoruba people no go fit do for their emir like they do for Yoruba land. He said that they send message go they give Buhari. Say they give her 7 days. May he take give the people punishment when we see they call burn the palace. He say if they don't give their punishment, say government no all the Fulani when we see they come after the Igogo palace, when we see they go to the king palace to go burn, when we see they burn many people house and car, when we see they come attack them. He say like be say they say go, they go do wetin, they go revenge, they go do wetin Fulani do to them, they go start to the do am again. He say that they give them 7 days. He say 7 days when we say Nigerian government they don't take action, abi, or your government self they don't take action. Like we say they will start to the do wetin, they will start to the take action. He said because they don't go fit open their eyes, make their own things they spoil. Imagine maybe say their own king go to sleep for palace with one eye. All Igogo people don't rock come up for their house because of Fulani. He say enough is enough. They don't go fit stand maybe say a old king could they rock come up for your own palace for Fulani. Fulani was supposed they rock for king. Fulani the king come to who they rock come up for Igogo. The OPC when we say they go to Igogo palace, so my people. Then they talk say they go there to go console their people, to talk to their people for what happened to them. He said because their people don't get rest of mind again. Their people like they fear to go farm, to go outside, to go do things on their own. 6 o'clock, their people don't enter house. Fear no go let their people stay outside, so they won't collect breeze, even if it's day. He said that they talk to Igogo people, say, may they get patient for them. He said because they will take action, so they don't give the government 7 days. Maybe say the people when we say do this thing, may they give them their own punishment. Say if they know the government no can do anything, like they will start to do something. He said because they don't go like me, then they come to Igogo all the time. Maybe say that they come because of Fulani issue matter. He said because if they continue like this, say Fulani still continue when we say they don't stop. Like we say there will be Yoruba people, they go come outside to go show Fulani, say this is their own town. Like their own land with this, they don't go feel call they oppress them. He said because coming to Igogo when we say that only to call the console Igogo people. Say that will not be good thing for Igogo people. He said because how many Igogo be when we see the Fulani don't work clear all the Igogo finish, one empty all the Igogo town finish. So then the whole Igogo town now, then they fear, they know they feel they all stay their own place again. They don't run leave farm, they don't run leave house. And the OPC, then they let the Igogo people they understand. So maybe they go put their mind down. He said that the last one when we say go happen be this. He said if they say no be town when we say they don't get good security, how a old people go just come town, could come just the pebe people like say that they pebe goats. He said when we say they will just payment people and they will just go free like that. When we say no one of them say they even don't say the arrest. No security for any around Igogo house. They enter for night. Nobody see them. Oh. And now that they tell Igogo people, then they promise Igogo people, say like the last one when we say the Fulani go do to them. Be this as long as say they did. He said because they value their own property, they love their own people, and they don't go watch their own people, maybe they lose all waiting they work for their properties. When we say it don't take them many years to build. When we say the Fulani then they will just come there to come scatter everything, destroy everything one day. What people do for many years, and they will just come there to come scatter everything for all that one day. He said now this OPC then they let the Igogo people they understand say now the last time when we say they will come to Igogo town like be this one. Say they don't go see this kind of thing when we say it happened for Igogo, they don't go see and begin for Igogo. But people make a leave for that, make una watch the video. Make una hear what you come outside from Yoruba OPC about to Igogo people, my people.
Great Daga, Great Biggie, Great Kule. Wíwá tí a wá síbí lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Ọ̀túnba Wàsíù Afọlábí tí mo jẹ́ ààrẹ OPC fún ẹgbẹ́ OPC. Ní ọ̀dà Dr. Frederick Isheotan Fáṣẹ̀hùn. wà ní bíbá ẹ̀ a wá sí pálásì tí wọ́n ní àwọn Fúlàní ẹgbẹ́ yẹn tí wọ́n sùn tí gbogbo wa náà bá wù ẹ́ rí i pé ibi tí wọ́n sùn yẹn ni a wà báyìí eléyìí tí kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Òkè Ọya lọ́hùn yẹn àwa tá a jọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire tá à ń gbé lókè Ọya kò sẹ́nìkan nínú wọn tó lè dé ààfin ọba wọn débi kó máa sún eléyìí tí wọ́n ṣe ní ibí ní ìlú Ìgàngàn àwa á fi dá wọn lójú wípé eléyìí máa jẹ́ àṣemọ fún wọn. a fi àsìkò sọ fún gbogbo ìjọba láti orí federal government wa látọ̀dọ̀ olórí oko Muhammadu Buhari eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níbí tí wọn bàbá wa wá ojútùú sí láàrin ọjọ́ méje a jẹ́ wípé wọ́n fẹ́ ká sọ di fire to eléyìí tí a ṣe wá bí láti tu àwọn èèyàn wa àwọn ìyá wa àwọn bàbá wa àwọn àbúrò wa àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n wa tí wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn wọn láti tù wọ́n nínú because Yorùbá máa ń pòwe wọ́n ní pẹ̀lẹ́ máa ń tu elégbò nínú ni kò kí ń san egbò a fi àsìkò rírọ abẹ akí gbogbo àwọn ará Ìgàngàn pé wọ́n kú ara fẹ́ra kú àwọn èèyàn wọn àwọn ọmọ Ìgàngàn àwọn ọmọ ìlú Ìgàngàn irú eléyìí ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ ní bíbá ìjọba ló kò sí ààbò tó péye fún dúkìá àti àwa èèyàn wa nílùú wa tí ó bá jẹ́ pé ààbò tó péye wà ní báwo làwọn kan ṣe máa ya wọ̀lú lọ́sẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa pa àwọn èèyàn káàkiri tí wọ́n á dẹ̀ lọ free láìsẹ̀ran bẹ́ẹ̀ àwa o àfi dá ìlú ìlójú OPC làwa ajàfẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ọmọnìyàn ni wá èmi tí mo dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ láàrẹ ẹgbẹ́ wọn eléyìí tí a wá ṣe ń bí lẹ́nìí àwa náà ó tutúra mú gbogbo ẹnikẹ́ni gbogbo ibikíbi tí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá káàárọ̀ oòjíire wà làwa gan máa dáàbò ara wa bò wọ́n sí because ó ti di ká máa fi ọwọ́ ara wa dáàbò ṣùgbọ́n because tá a bá ní ká gbójúlé àwọn agbófinró ojoojúmọ́ láwọn pàdánù àwọn èèyàn wa. nídìí èyí láti àsìkò ìlọ èní ní ọjọ́ keje oṣù kẹfà nínú ọdún tuntun tá a wà yìí à ń sọ fún federal government pé a fún wọn ní 70 days ọjọ́ méje ká bá wa wá àwọn tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ yìí jáde àdẹ̀fẹ́ yìí tí ó yẹ pé wọ́n á sọ pé àwọn ti ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n wá gbé sábẹ́ tébù àní ẹ̀fà gbàlá ilé àtọ́rọ́ àwọn àgbò ní sùn ọ̀ntì tá a bá ní justice lórí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níbí eléyìí àní firú èyí san fúnra wa mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ìgàngàn ẹ máa lékún lówó ẹ máa lékún lọ́lá ẹ máa lékún lálàáfíà eléyìí tá a ṣe ya àní wá kí yín irú ẹ̀ mọ́ ohun rere láwọn wá kí yín fún ọmọ bíbí Oòduà ní bí.